Bawal kumain?
Wala akong kumakundi ng ano. Kumain na tayo.
Okay.
Ang battle down.
Yes. Pwede kumanta? Kumanta. Mr. V, pwede kumanta?
Pwede? Pwede?
Kaya
Yes.
sa iWalk.
Tingnan mo nga si Mimaw, naka-halter. Yung sando mo parang naging halter pag gano'n. Ayun.
Ito ko yung breast ko. Ang ganda naman ni Miss Katrina. O, ganda-ganda mo, Romy.
Uy, wala yon guys. Thank you so much. Sabog.
Si Katrina kasi, guys. Ay ko yan. Tapos siya yung nagagap.
Follow back na ako daw. Paano ko siya ifa-follow? Paano? Saan sa tinaside? I don't know, guys. Ha?
Maglipit?
Ano saan yung pangalan?
Ipin mo natin sa
Di ko naman makita eh. Invite ko. Hindi nga ako marunong mag-invite, guys. Paano?
best. Yes. Ito, tingnan lang yan bukas.
Here.
Parang bang desk para sa kayo. Siyempre, greetings na rin yan from KKK family. Ayan.
Sabi ni Nana, ano daw? O, follow back mo daw siya. Paano nga? Hindi nga ako marunong mag-follow back, guys. Hindi kasi ako masyadong nag-block out. I really don't know.
Sino yung follow test?
Nana, ano daw? Nana ko? Nana ko ba?
Click mo lang yung profile.
Wala nga eh. Wala dyan. Wala.
Kumusta naman ng TikTok girl?
Diba? Ano ba to? Parang lola naman ako dito.
Pero lang, ma.
Mas matanda ka
Ako nga
naman sa akin.
nag-ibag dito eh.
Mas matanda ka nga naman sa akin, Mi.
Tanggap ko naman yun, Mi.
Maganda ka naman. Ano ka naman? Bagets pa. Hindi ko po makita yung name ni Nana ko.
Ano to? Dito sa
Para pindutin ko. Oh.
center stage?
Pipindutin mo siya.
Hindi ko nga,
Pag mag-gifters mo.
kung nandito siya para i-follow ko, pero di ko nga makita yung name po.
Lalabas siya, nakalagay yung profile niya, tapos follow back ka lang, Mi.
Okay, pero wala po kasi ako nakikita pa.
My God, nagpupunta ko sa mga tukol, kain ako ng kain. Ayun, sinanak ko. Naku, nag-invite ko sa atin.
Asan ba?
Nag-accept na ako.
Paano kanya in-invite?
Hello po, Miss Katrina.
Hi! Ay,
Hi,
ayun pala siya.
Robert.
Okay, follow natin. Yun.
Hi,
Friends na.
Hello po, good evening.
Hi, Nanako.
Yes.
Ang dami mo namang kiss.
Katina ha, kasi
Filter po siya, Miss Katrina.
pasok Philippines kay Kat. Eh ngayon, ayaw niya una. Tinungan mo si...
Oh, shy kasi ako, shy
Kaya
ako.
natin,
Shy ako,
kasi-
guys.
Diba?
Ako din, mahihain din ako.
O, diba? Ba't tayo napunta dito? Shy pa naman tayong lahat. Hindi na ako pala, shy din pala daw siya.
Binibilis akong kumain kasi ano na, 9 minutes na lang bago ako kumain.
Uy, lagi si Wilbert ay. Lagi si
Dala
Wilbert.
mo siya? Eto. Uy.
Parang getting to know mo na, Mi. Mi?
Ay, hello, Sir Chris. Hello.
Please, nag-send ako sa'yo ng campaign.
Na?
Chris. Si Chris,
Nag-send-
sabihin mo sabihin mo kay Chris, yung
Sige, tam-
campaign. Di ba sabi mo wala siya?
Ayan, nag-send daw siya sa'yo, Chris.
Isa nga, Chris.
Yes, sir.
Kuya Chris na Kuya Chris.
Asan na yung partner mo, Mima? Asan na si Kuya Chris? Ay, nawala na po siya. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, pansamantalang nawala. Sabi ko na naman.
Laging si Sir Wilbert.
Kaya nga. Taga saan ka, Nana?
Taga Cebu po.
Oo, nasa Cebu ka.
Yes po. Kakauwi lang po namin galing Manila.
Ah, okay. Anong sinasabi niya? Wala, talo ka na, Mi. Hindi ka namin marinig, lag ka.
Lag nga siya.
Yes.
Kasi wala na din yung natutubo dyan. Pag dito sa kabila.
Tumal ko, guys.
Oo, mahina siya.
Ang lakas daw. Ang lakas ng lag.
Saan ba kayo?
Ito si Chris.
Or depende.
Ano po yun?
Gusto mo doon para mas
Mahiya.
comfortable or
Okay lang, mas komportable dito, Mi.
dyan?
Yes.
Hindi na pa rin ba?
Move dito.
Miss Katrina,
No.
pahay daw siya kay Chris.
Ay, Chris, may mag-hi daw sa'yo po. May mag-hi daw sa'yo. Si attorney.
Ay!
Ayan si attorney. Attorney!
Yo!
Small world.
What's up, man?
What's up?
Nabanggit kasi kanina ni Chris eh. Attorney daw, kaya naalala ko.
Ano yan?
Nashock ako eh. Nashock ako sa management. Sabi niya, Nana, sister, can you picky with Team Katrina then versus Wilbert? Huh? And then I said, nashock ako. Kaya sinabi ko sa
Ako nga umaatras. Sabi ko, Mi, ayoko.
Pinasok ko kasi si Katrina sa TikTok Philippines. Tapos, sabi ko, ngayon, si Kat, first time ko rin. Kayo ni Kuya Chris naman,
streamer talaga kami.
yun yung madalas to nagpipiki.
Oo. Kami yung nagsa-streamer. Nagpi-PK.
Anong ginagawa niyo pag nagpipikay kayo? Kumakanta kayo?
Wala. Nag-uusap lang. Nagpapatawa sa mga ano. Yun yung content namin. Nagpapatawa. Usap-usap lang. Tapos PK. Ganun.
Hindi ako ano ha.
Ano yan, Chris?
It's a speaker stand.
Si Mima na lang magpapatawa sa atin. Sa akin
Oh
pala.
my God. Thank you everyone.
Kinakabahan na ko nga ni.
Ako sa Gani. Kinakabahan.
Naku, tigilan mo kami. Nana, huwag mo kami ini-eme.
Miss Katrina, kinakabahan ako kasi
Ano?
artista
Professional.
Gani.
Professional PKer daw.
Professional.
Signal ko ngayon, hindi na naglalag.
Naglalag ka, Sir Wilbert.
Naglalag pa rin.
Pag naman tumalembot.
Oh.
Naglalag. O
2
pagka-transfer.
minutes na guys.
So, KKK fam, alam nyo na. Huwag na tayong lumaban.
Hala. Hala pa.
Naglalag pa ako.
Tingnan, napapanood mo?
Nag-ano siya, nag-react.
Okay, may nanonood daw sa'yo dito, Nana.
Hi po.
Ay, hello po. Magandang gabi po.
Ipat ako.
Hala, uy. Yung
Ayan.
dibdib ko, ang lakas ng ano.
Naku, tigilan mo kami sa sanay ka mag-PK. Kami nga first time.
Hindi kasi Miss Katrina, artista kasi, kaya kinakabahan ako. Tapos, first time ko picky artista.
Ako nga first time makapag-PK. So, alam niyo na guys, ha?
Ang daming tao. Thank you for...
Ito dito.
Oh my God.
Wala na, nandiyan na yung mga supporters ni Nana.
Yeah, thank you for the Kaitan family, Talong team. Ano ba ba?
Nana,
Si Chris?
baka kami ni Katrina.
Wait
Yes.
lang. search ko muna. Oh my God, kinakabahan ako. Hi, Kuya Chris!
Kuya Chris.
Hello, Katrina. Hello, Wilbert. Hello, Nana. How are you guys?
Miss Katrina, Kuya Chris, sobrang lakas.
Ano daw? Sobrang
Nana,
lakas.
Nana,
Kuya,
you need to do the switch.
si
Kuya
Kuya.
Chris, you're so strong. I know you're in
Wait,
DC level
I'm so
49.
scared. I'm pissing my pants here for the last 1
Wow!
hour. I know. You guys are
Nana, I heard
recruiting.
you are strong.
You guys
Pero
are
mas malakas
recruiting
yung
fans
ano niya,
from
MVP
other
niya.
streamers.
Naka 49 yung ano niya, MVP niya, naka level 49.
Nana, you need to switch, huh? We told you. You're gonna be the leader here. You need to do the switch.
Okay,
Bitch.
later.
What's
No,
gonna
ma.
happen? Ba't may switching?
No switch eh. Ako daw mag-a-add ng PK. Now? Start now?
Well, no, Wilbert needs to be here. Wilbert needs to be here, and Katrina needs to go there.
Go.
Where?
Go where?
Wilbert
Yes.
needs to be. We need to be here on this side. Girls need to be on this side. We need to be on this side. At the moment, I'm in the same team with Katrina. Yo,
Why switching?
What?
No switching.
Oi, if you put the match on at the moment, then Katrina and me will be collecting points together.
Malakas ang signal.
Try to do the battle. Oh my God, live. We are not live pros. We are amateurs here.
Oh
So
my
sorry,
God.
guys.
No, like that. I know you're very strong.
I am
No
an
switching.
amateur. But look, Nana. Yeah, guys, patience.
Yes,
patience,
Nana.
patience. Nana, try to put the match
What's
on.
happening?
Right, let's see. Patience, darling, patience.
Wait,
Okay.
hold on.
Go.
Wilbert is losing.
Like
You
that?
see?
I'm losing
good,
because
good. Sorry, my bad.
No, I withdraw.
It was good. I was with Wilbert. Amazing.
Yeah.
Don't listen to me.
aircon nga pakibukas na, tapos pakislide ng door.
Nana,
Kasi nakabahan ako, ma.
Nana.
Okay, Mima, are you ready?
You ready, everyone?
I'm
Guys,
ready.
yung lahat ng ipipiki, okay. Everyone will, all gifters, okay. I hope, since we are a beginner with Katrina, I hope our gifter can also follow Kuya Chris, follow Miss Nana, and
Ay, may pampalit ng face.
alin maliit ang face ko?
Hindi, ako, nililiitan ko.
And Wilbert, I want to say from my side as well that win or lose, I know the girls have been recruiting some outside support.
No.
Win or lose, I'm honored to be, in this game here. It's a pleasure to meet you, Katrina, Nana, and Wilbert. Can't wait to have maybe a drink with you down the line in a couple of weeks' time or whatever when you have time. So, absolute pleasure. Thank you for the company. And in the end, this one's for the fans, right?
Yes.
So,
Okay. So what are we going to do? Are we going to dance?
I
you
feel
can dance,
pressure right
Wilbert.
now.
I am gonna
Eme.
scream and shout.
Okay.
No, nothing. We're just talking to our fans here. Like, let's go, Picky. Go, more like that.
Well, let's have one, and then we can see. Maybe we will have everybody will be shocked after this next 5 minutes.
Go na ba?
Let's
Go,
do one.
me.
Start na? Okay, start.
Let's
Go
do
na,
one.
me.
Let's do one, guys.
This is my first time, ha?
Oh my
Okay.
God!
Me too, my first time then.
Teka,
You
wait,
need to,
ha?
you need to accept, guys.
Okay.
Let's go, everyone! Top.
Huh?
Let's go, top.
Let's
go,
tap it, guys.
Okay,
First triple.
Girls.
First triple, drop 1 gloves.
Use the
First
CS,
triple.
guys.
Wala pa. Hala,
Nakakaloka
Miss
ka.
Kylie!
Wilbert,
Grabe
ask the
naman
people to
agad.
tap.
Grabe naman yung
Ay,
nana.
tap daw, tulungan niyo daw ako.
Una!
Tambak ako. Ano?
Patience, Wilbert.
Ako, help niyo ako.
May,
Una
use
yakap
the
sa
3x,
mina.
May.
Oh, grabe.
Ang lakas ni ano.
May, we need to
Ang
3x,
lakas ni
darling.
Nana.
Mi, ilabas mo na yung ano mo sa lapi mo, Mi.
Let's go!
Ba't ako naglalabas sa ting.
Oh my God! Hoy, nag-gloves ka drop, boy!
Thank you, baby.
Oh my God, ang lakas ni Nana.
Crazy, Lizelle. Ala, Ali. Wow,
Okay,
nandito
okay.
Ang lakas
Patience,
nila.
patience now, guys. Patience.
Huwag ka na makisalig, Mr. B. I know you know me.
Let's go,
Eh?
Wilbert. Nice gift, Wilbert.
No need gift.
TikTok
Oh
Universe.
my God, good game, good game.
Oh
good
my
game.
God, it's a nice game.
Wilbert, somebody
Ano ba
say
yun?
hi.
Universe ba
Guys,
yun?
una yan. Miss Kylie, thank you so much. Kylie, Kaitan, thank you for the support. Thank you so much, guys. Thank
Ang
you.
lakas ni
Thank you,
Nana.
siya.
Nakakaloka.
Uy, malakas si Kuya Chris. Sir
Grabe
Wilbert,
naman si
malakas yan.
Mima. Parang
Okay,
ano
we got the
naman,
glove
eh.
now. We got the glove.
Ni,
Thank you,
ilabas mo na
everybody.
yung
who's
wallet.
supporting.
Sayang
What
ang
are we gonna
gloves,
do with the
patay.
glove?
Wala, hindi ko kaya. Mi, ano gagawin ko? Di ko Ayan, o.
Hoy!
Na-hammer na
Isa
tayo.
nag-hammer.
Guys, ilabas mo na yan,
Oh my
Mi.
God,
Hindi
it's
nga
so
ako
tight.
marunong kung paano nga. Ano ba
Ang dami
yun?
Oh my God, may hammer na kami, no! No,
Ay.
please!
Thank you, Anika.
Ganun lang
Tap,
sila.
guys, tap,
Nagkakapera na
tap,
sila.
tap, tap.
Nakakaloka.
Miss Kylie, thank you so much. Tap,
Please,
guys,
please
tap,
help me.
Thank
Please
you,
help me.
Maylay. Thank you,
Kuya,
Maylay.
please
Tap,
help
tap,
me.
guys, tap, tap. Miss Kylie, thank you so much. Miss
Dami naman
Kylie,
nandun sa
Ate Gang,
akin.
Wait,
thank
this is
you.
only the first 2 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Miss Kylie, thank you so much, Miss
I'm having
Kylie.
a heart attack. I'm having a
Miss Kylie.
Oh,
Grabe,
wow.
grabe.
Thank you.
Mi, may...
Uy, Miss Kylie.
Oh my
Di, ilabas
God.
mo na, Mi.
Oh my God.
Ano ilalabas ko, Mi?
Thank you so much.
Ang lakas
Where's my
nila.
Estonians? Thank you, Ora,
Ayan
for the
nga.
galaxy. We're
Ikaw
so
kasi.
close, guys.
Mi, di ba, pinagsabihan na
Double.
kita. Itigil mo na. Carol.
Kisa ni, sige. Ate Gang, thank
No,
you.
yung mga gifters nila,
Kisa ni
magiging
Uban. Oy,
friends
di
din
mabasa.
natin.
Fritz, thank you.
Magiging friends
so
natin.
much.
Oh my God.
Wilbert,
Miss Kylie, thank
somebody
you so
sent you a
much.
really
Thank you,
big
thank you.
gift. Gilbert.
Yes, ang lakas.
Miss Kylie, thank you. Rowelyn.
Thank you, guys. Thank you,
Pretty ha,
guys.
thank you so
Naloloka
much.
ako. Hindi ko alam paano ko mag-thank you sa mga ano,
Don't type
nagbigay
na.
sa atin.
Watch me, Nene.
Princesisa, Ice Cold,
Wilbert,
Mission
let your-
Condition,
let your
Coracha,
super
thank you
gifter
so
send gift
much.
now.
Arceo, Jomar,
Hi,
Uka.
Marcel,
Bella,
thank you,
Retrobite.
and the Warrior.
so much,
Oh my God, good
Miss
game. Good.
Rosen. Hi, thank you so much.
ibibigay.
Hi, Ali, Margaret. Anong ginagawa mo, Mr. B?
Final 10 seconds for 2
God.
experts.
Wow, thanks lang. Viva!
May nagbagsak sa akin. Na, ano,
Vivas!
Grabe!
Thank you, Maylin.
anong 50? Anong 50?
Oh my
Hindi ko
God!
ma-guess.
Naman,
Kuya
sobrang
Chris.
nangyayari,
Wait,
guys.
times 5, wait lang.
There's 2 more matches. 2
3
more
battles
matches.
to.
Guys, calm down, guys. We have 2
We give up. We give up.
Best of 3.
Maylin,
This
thank
is
you
best
so
of
much. You're so crazy.
Sino nag-send ng 50?
Go, attorney, pahingi naman!
Saan ko makikita yung nag-send sa akin?
Lahat yan.
Grabe, tambak tayo, ma.
Eme lang. Eme lang, Nana.
Prince Tessa.
Linley, thank you.
Guys.
Thank you, thank you, guys.
Okay,
Thank
Prince
you.
Tessa. Drop
Sorry
with
guys,
this
hindi ko
clap
alam
for
kung paano ko
Wilbert.
mag-shoutout sa inyo.
Oh, Miss Kylie, thank you so much.
Mo,
Billy.
thank you so
God,
much
oh my
for sending
God.
256 and
Lauren,
Princess Lisa
Mirna
online shop.
Reza, thank you
Wolfie
so
family,
much.
Beijing,
Thank you,
Miss
Nani,
Gigi,
thank you,
Revel,
thank you,
Joy-
Kalisa, thank you, Ora,
Ang
thank
lakas
you.
na ni Kuya Chris. I told you,
Art,
si
thank
Kuya
you,
Chris so
Anita,
strong.
thank
Kuya Chris,
you.
ang lakas.
You have
Oy,
500,000
Kainom,
points.
thank you. May hammer na naman ako, my goodness.
OMG, ako nga 20
Ano,
lang. Oh my
Nana,
God.
my
That
God,
Avon ako,
Nana,
18,
banana.
ano, si Nana, tapos ako C3, C5 tayo,
Thank
Mi.
you, Karim.
Me, ako nga 20 lang.
Guys, one gloves last. One gloves. One gloves. One gloves, guys.
you,
Drop one
Nick.
gloves. Okay, okay.
Can I impersonate Kuya Chris? Send me money, send me money, send me money.
Yawa! It's not
Send me,
like
send me,
that.
send me, send me.
Grabe. Thank you so much,
Grabe, ang
everybody.
lakas niya.
Thank you, KKK, sa support.
Ang lakas nila.
Wala, nag-gloves pa sila.
Okay,
Chad.
okay.
Ay, shucks.
I don't know.
Bakit gumaganon lang kayo? Dumarating sa inyo.
Oh,
Diba, ba't sila palakpak lang?
Magkakagalan tayo
Try
ng
din
ganun
natin
na lang.
pamalakpak.
My goodness.
Yay!
Okay, girls.
Oh
Wow.
my God.
MVP, P-Boss, Wuna yan, Miss Kylie. Thank you so much po.
I'm gonna
Hi,
screenshot.
Kylie.
Ayan, thank you,
Wala
Move.
na,
Thank you,
wala
na.
Princess
Family,
Lisa.
thank
Thank
you,
you,
Miss
Nani.
Kai-
Thank you, Ora.
Kaitan
Thank you,
family,
Kalisa.
thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Cards. Thank you,
Thank you so
Anika.
much.
Thank you.
MVP, Team
Boy,
MVP,
Julie.
Team Saban,
Idol,
Team
thank you,
Talong.
Maska.
Guys, thank you so much, guys. Thank you,
Ah,
thank you so much.
Katrina is like-
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Kaitan family,
My
thank you so
goodness.
much.
My
Wala
goodness.
na
Talong
ako
family,
pupunta.
thank you so much.
Meeting naman naman
guys.
ako, Mi.
Wuna ya, thank you so much, Wuna
Maybe
ya.
I'm afraid.
Kamsamida, Jinja,
Ilabas mo na kasi
kamsamida.
si Kay.
Wilbert.
Miss Kylie, thank you so much, Miss Kylie.
Ilabas mo.
Thank you so much.
Ilabas mo, tingnan mo kung hindi sila maloka.
Wilbert.
Tingnan mo.
Wilbert.
Wala, wag na, Mi.
Sir Chris, sabi
Yes.
ni attorney,
Wilbert,
tulong
who
na
is
daw,
who is
Sir Chris.
Prince? Who is Prince Itessa? Do you know who is Prince? Is Prince
it
Itessa
is-
is your friend?
Itesa is a good friend of my artist, Madam Inuts, a live seller.
Ang laugh ko. Di ba,
Well,
guys?
you received a very very big gift from him, Miss Prince Itessa. If you have any more bad intentions, send it when the 3x is available. Then we have 3 times as many points. So you can guys see down here it's 3x. She sent you a 40,000 gift, but it only comes.
Yes, because she always
That's
supports
like
me.
40,000 pesos now.
Sabi niya
It's how much?
daw,
It's how much? It's how much?
For her, it's 40,000 pesos or 30,000 pesos minimum.
Grabe.
But there's a bigger Mook.
That's my MEP. That's my queen.
Your queen. Nako, Mook, thank you. She's from Malaysia?
Yeah, that's Miss Maylin. She is
pwede pa
phenomenal.
nila alam yun.
Wow, you know her.
Sila
Oh,
dalawa
I know
I love you, Mook.
Hindi talaga namin alam, Nana.
I'm gonna steal all Nana's MEPs myself. I'm gonna.
I'm just gonna,
P-Boss.
clap.
P-Boss. Oh
I'm
my
just
God.
gonna cheer for you
Okay, I
guys.
just want to
P-Boss,
shout
let's go
out
for a drink.
P-Boss.
I love you.
P-Boss of Mission Contributor, Won, Kylie, Shim 8, January 57, Kokay, Limwell, MJ, Lin, Mrs. Frost. Ayan. Congratulations.
Everybody is a winner here.
Yeah,
Amazing
thank
score.
you.
570.
Ang baba
Hey.
natin dalawa, Mi.
Wilbur,
Okay lang yan, Mi.
Yeah,
Yes.
1-0, 1-0, 1-0.
we are not, we are competitive, Wilbert, so it's pretty
No.
awesome. Yeah, it's like they were scared. They were scared.
Chris!
No.
Kuya Chris,
Okay.
Yes.
I will follow
I
you, Kuya
trust you.
Chris.
I know you're very strong. You're MVP level 49. I trust you.
Okay.
I will follow you. I will follow you, Kuya.
Team
Good
Good
luck,
luck!
guys.
I don't know. Let's see
Team
what
Good
happens.
luck.
Thank you to
Let's go,
Estonia.
let's go.
Thank you, my
so much, Team
Estonians.
Good luck.
Okay, I'm here to cheer
Yeah,
you
thank
up,
you.
guys.
Miss Kylie, thank you so
1,000
much,
tinabas
guys.
ko na
Thank
si
you so
KL.
much,
2
guys.
times
Thank
points
you.
at the moment. You
Ate
see
Gang,
this?
thank you so much.
Ay, Nika.
Thank you so much, guys.
Nakakalokan lakas nila.
Okay,
Riga, go, Nika.
I'm here to watch you guys.
Ngayon?
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Congratulations. You
Nari!
deserve
My goodness.
all the gifts.
Mark my word, thank you so
We wait for
much.
3x. We wait for
Nari,
3x,
thank
guys.
you so much.
thank
Aura,
you.
so times 2 points effect.
Lori
Anita,
and Ali, thank you so much.
Thank you,
Boy,
Limuel,
Thank
Ashley.
you, Zayn. Thank
Team
you, Mark
Talong,
my
let's
word.
go.
Mira,
Team
thank
Good
you.
luck. Miss Kylie, thank you so
Eugenia
We
much.
drop
Miss
a big
Kylie.
one.
Daniel, thank you.
Labas natin si
Jiro,
Mr.
thank
B.
you.
Mr.
Ilabas.
B.
Pasok mo na
Sige,
si Mr.
palabasin si
B.
Mr. B,
Tignan ko,
Miss Katrina.
babagsakan ka na, mama.
The glove is on for
Tambak na ako
Wilbert.
sa'yo ngayon. Hello,
Kuya-
Miss
Sir
Katrina.
Chris.
King would
Hello,
be nice with the
Winnie.
glove. It's Ora.
Miss Katrina, palabasin si Mr. B.
Shout out, ayan. Shout out
That's
muna,
all.
Arabella. Greetings.
We wait for
Thank you so much.
Maylin, wait, wait.
Salamat, Mr.
At
B.
first time
Help
ako nandito sa
me.
PK, nakipagulong.
Lisa, thank you so much.
Let's
Let's wait.
Bababa natin.
Let's go, guys. Double, double, double.
Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait.
Team MVP, Team
Oh my
Tigbas,
God.
Good luck. Team Talong, Team
Wait,
Wolfie,
wait,
thank
wait.
you so much.
Si Prince Lisa nagbigay kay
Let's
ano,
wait,
kay
let's
Kuya Brian.
wait.
Kay Kuya ano.
Ayaw. Ay,
Ha?
No, you are so strong.
okay.
What the hell? We need to get these 200 diamonds. Good job, good job.
Oh my God.
I trust my all viewers here. And
Dami
MVP
nilang
stickers.
gifter.
Ang lakas nila.
Where's 3x?
Ni ako naman na
Okay, we can
tumawag
use this
sa'yo.
2x maybe.
Mr. B naman. Ay, Mr.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
Miss Kylie, thank you so much, Miss Kylie. Good luck, MJ. Kate
Let's
Ann.
use these
Hey,
2x
Team
now.
Family, Team Talong, Team Tigbas, and Team MVP.
Oh
Thank
my
you so
God,
much.
alalakas nila.
Kaya nga, wala. Mr. B, help me.
Oh, P-Boss. You might
Is-
want to
Is he
support
sending
us,
gifts in the back
Kylie.
there, Katrina?
And January
Hello, sir. How are
57.
you?
Kuya Chris, this
Pretty
is Chris.
Star.
You have a nice name, nice
Pretty
spelling.
Star.
Chris.
Hello,
I'm
shout
also
out
Chris.
MJ.
Pleasure
Yes.
knowing
I
you.
love the spelling too.
Thank you, Hayes. Thank you, Jean.
Sir
Thank
Chris,
you.
kumanta ka na lang daw. Bigyan ka daw ng regalo dyan.
We need help, guys. Maylin cannot do it all by
Mr.
herself.
B, I need help.
Ano yan?
Oh no! I'm from the
Good
bottom.
name. Thank you, Sai.
It's okay. Cards,
Thank you so much, FIFA. Thank you.
Pababa.
Hey,
Pababa.
Give me. Gagayahin
Okay,
ko nga si
Wilbert.
Kuya.
Summon your power,
Thank
Wilbert.
you so
Una yan.
much for another gift. Thank you. From Malaysia, thank you so much. Nari, thank you also. Carissa, thank you. Cards, thank you. Prince Etiza Online Shop, thank you so much.
Kasi ang gulo
Alright,
ay
thank you.
January.
Anita,
January.
thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Gabriel.
Really, you're amazing. Naughty, you're
Thank you so much.
amazing.
Chambit, Chambit, Magic
Boy,
Snow.
Gakaino,
Thank you so much. December.
I'm gonna
Thank
summon
you.
Jerick. Somebody saying go and talk to Jerick. He owes me a
Hello,
lion. goddammit.
Pibos. Hello, Juan. Hello,
Hi,
January
Maria.
57.
Hi,
Hello,
Maria.
Kylie.
Hi, next
Hello,
station.
Pretty Scar.
Hi, December.
Hi,
Pretty
MJ. Hi,
Star, where are
Limuel.
you?
Mika Aquino Arroyo. Kate.
Hello, my
Lima
Estonians.
Ashley.
Ciao,
Hi,
Estonians.
Lizelle.
Okay.
I'm an upbeat puss
Give
kasi
me a
ka man.
virtual gift. I'll show you my full back tattoo.
Opa!
Wait, tingnan mo, nag-uumpas ko sa nag-show ng full back tattoo daw siya.
Wow.
Ay!
Pibos,
May
give me a-
na show, Mr. B.
jowa pala.
I see you got the better
Guys!
Ay, may mga jowa pala kayo. Ayan tayo, may mga backup kayo eh.
Jesus!
I'll show you my tattoo. Oh.
Yeah, not the lobot, not the lobot. Nobody want to see your lobot, Wilbert.
Ala na wala internet ni Miss Katrina.
Okay,
Waiting to
Maylin
reconnect.
and Nari and Carissa
Ala.
helping us out here. Thank you so much,
Ala,
guys.
nag-glove
Who's
sila.
gonna use the glove? Who's gonna use
Alam mo
Nari?
si Katrina.
I don't know. You sent so much
Nawala
already.
yung internet
You're number
niya.